Hi, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to set a maximum product purchase limit for your wholesale customers. Let's say for example, if you want to make sure your wholesale buyers can purchase up to 50 units of your products but not more, this video will help you easily control that inside your wholesale store. Let's see how it works. Before going to the video, please make sure that you have subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. So for setting this maximum product purchase limit, I'm using B2B order limit app, which is available from the Shopify app store. If you need, I have also attached the link to this app in the description box. You can check it out. So after installing the app, open the app from the Shopify admin panel and you can click on order limit section. Now click on create new limit. Now select the product limit. Now you can name the rule. Like, since we are giving a maximum of product limit here, let's say like maximum product quantity limit for old customers. And if you have any description, which is completely optional one, like if you need to describe or add much more details about the rule, you can add up here. Like say like rule set for maximum product quantity of 20 for all the wholesale customers. So this rule will be available for all the wholesale customers with a product maximum quantity of 20. So in case of this add product section, click on here. This will list the products available. From here we can select the products which we want to add the maximum quantity limit for. So let's say these first two products I'm adding. If you have multiple products to avail this rule, then you can add up here by selecting much more products. For now, I'm adding only for 2 products. And I'm not giving any minimum quantity requirements. I'm just giving only the maximum one as the 20. And if we have advanced settings here where we can customize the error message. So like our wish. By enabling this, we can add the message, that error or the restriction message which is populating on the cart or the checkout page as our wish by enabling and adding the notes here. So I'm disabling it so that the by default messages will be shown up in the checkout page. So if you want to restrict or the error messages to be shown in the card, then you can enable it from here. Otherwise, this will be available in the checkout. So after adding all this, make sure that the status is active and then go for saving the changes. Now let's test this up in our online store. So I'm trying to buy this product. This product is the one which we didn't add it for the maximum quantity limit. So let's try this product with more than 20. Let's say a 30 here. And let's try to buy this. So even if we buy 30 of this product, there won't be any restriction shown since we didn't added any rule for this product. Let's try some other products which we have added the rule for. Now, this product we have added rule for and I'm adding a 30 of this product and I'm trying to move this product to the checkout. Now you can see that the maximum quantity of 20 is allowed for this product. Now let's check what the same product we can add like 15 for now. And let's try to check out. Now you can see that the message or that restriction has gone and the customers will be able to buy the 15 products as it. So this is how you can limit the maximum product purchase for your wholesale customers in Shopify. So while you're waiting for, just grab the link from the description box and try this out in your online store. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.